Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are creating this makeup look. This is a very basic beginner's makeup look, and if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and let's go on with the video. So this is a sort of a beginner's makeup look, I would say, because I'm telling you all the basics about the face makeup and everything. So I'm using this face mist just to sprinkle and freshen up my face. I will literally carry this in my bag, and it's so refreshing, like it's amazing. You can feel refreshed after applying this. So when we start our makeup, a basic thing to remember is a face makeup. Like if your base is good, when you make building, if the foundation is good, building will be strong. So like that, same with our face. If our base makeup is good, everything will set nicely. If our base is good, everything will look good and seamless on our face. Give you all the basics about the face makeup while doing that. So let's get started with our face makeup. So for face makeup, the first thing we need to do is moisturize. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. I'm using this Biotique Bio Coconut Moisturizer. And if you're dry skin, use a heavy moisturizer. If you're oily skin, use a gel-based moisturizer that will not make your skin really oily. And if you're normal skin, you can use any normal skin moisturizer. So let's get started. So for face makeup, after moisturizing, your second step is your primer. You can use any primer. I have this too. They both are from Malayao, and I'm using this today. This is a primer oil. So the primer evens out your skin, blurs out all the pores, and helps in making it smooth. So this will blur out all the pores and give a very smooth base for our foundation. Next up we have is foundation. You can use any foundation. I would recommend Maybelline Fit Me if you are looking a foundation affordable and does the work good. So this is the foundation, and I always thought that this is my shade Caramel, but I feel it's a little too dark for me. So I'm going to try this foundation Sun Bake 310. This is also Fit Me, and I got this tube just to try. So let's try this foundation, and this is a good foundation if you're looking. This retails for rupees 275 and this one for 550, I guess. And you'll always get this on this is for 500, and you'll always get this on discount for like 375 or something. So what foundation does is it evens out your complexion, and it makes everything of one skin tone, and always choose a shade lighter to one shade lighter to your skin tone, and it will even out everything on the skin. If you feel that still you are not getting that natural coverage, you can also mix your moisturizer with your foundation and you'll get a subtle coverage. Oh my god, this is way too light. So after foundation, you have to use a concealer, and you can use any concealer of your choice. This is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Caramel. So the work of a concealer is to hide all the blemishes and all the marks and all. So I have dark circles here, so I'm going to apply it here. And here. I guess this much is fine. With the same beauty blender, I'm going to blend it. After concealing, you need a compact to set everything in. A compact powder is a must. If you're oily skin tone, you should definitely get this and keep this in your bag. A compact, just controls your oils and sets everything in place. And after that, you want to use a loose powder if you are into baking, and if not, you can also use a Johnson's baby powder. So, and you can bake with this. I'll just bake my under eyes with this. As you can see, my face is really white, so now I'm going to color. I'm going to give it a color with this bronzer. This will literally bronze up my face, and I'm going to contour with this bronzer. You can also use this contour powder from LA Colors, and any contour powder if you want to use this for contouring. If you're a beginner, you can totally skip this step, and if you don't want any color on your face, you can also skip this step. You just have to apply this in a 3, So as we're done contouring with a bronzer, if you want to go ahead, I'll just show you how the contouring with contour looks. I don't do this usually, but just to tell you and give you an idea how this works. You need to contour your nose. So our basic face makeup is done. Now we are going to apply a blush. The blush is to give color to your cheeks. So to give you that glow from within, you need to apply a highlighter, and I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome Studio Finish highlighter, whatever it is, Face Studio highlighter. So yeah. As you can see, our face makeup is done. The first step was moisturizing, second was primer, third was foundation, then concealer, then face compact, then bronzer if you wish to, contour if you wish to, blush, and then highlighter. And our face makeup is done. So our face makeup is done. Now it's time to move on to our eyes. Eyes, you can apply any shade, any eye shade. As this is a beginner's makeup, I'm going to just apply one shade on my eye. I'm not doing much. You can apply primer on your eyes or concealer, but I'm not going to do anything today as this is a beginner's makeup look. I don't want you all to get confused. So keeping it simple, we've applied one shade all over our eyelids. Whatever you like, you can apply, and then we're going to apply mascara and liner. So this is the eye with the mascara, and this is no mascara. You see the difference? So we are done with mascara. Now it's time for liner. You can skip this liner thing. I don't want to apply, but let's apply a little bit. So our eye makeup is done, face makeup is done. So next step we have is our lips. So this is the new lipstick by Malio, soft soft matte lip creme. I'm just gonna see how it will look. So I'm going to take this shade from the Fashion Factory. This is in shade number 2. I'm going to put a little dot this and then mix. This looks more nude to me than the actual color. And I hate the formula of this. I really hate the formula of this. I'm done. Maybe. I still don't feel the lipstick, man. You don't like it, it's fine. Neither do I. Bear with me. So this is the final makeup look, you guys, and I don't feel the lipstick, but it's fine. So yeah.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when
So if you like this video, please like and comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel and keep on watching. Thank you so much. Bye guys, see you in my next one.
once we keep close, we should never let go. So